Alright, we're going to do rotors on a 2003 Ford F150, 21 millimeter. You're going to need a 21 millimeter to get off the lug nuts. Order these on Amazon. So we're going to remove the caliper bolts at the top, 10 millimeter, broke it free already, just to make it easier. One caliper bolt, two caliper bolts. You can get a screwdriver, pry bar, just lift up the caliper to get it off. Mine's coming off pretty easy. Changed the brake pads about 15,000 miles ago. Started vibrating, so I'm going to change the rotor. It's all rusty. So you can see the brake pad's still good. We got the clothes hanger. I'm going to use to hold up the caliper. I'm going to use this to hold up the caliper so we don't have pressure on this line. Ready? Got a clothes hanger, hold up my caliper, keep the hose from getting kinked up. So you want to hit the rotor around it. Mine's already come loose. Rust will build up around here. You want to clean this off. That's why the rotor sticks. You just hit it a couple times, should come off. I'm just going to clean mine up with a wire brush. And once I get it all cleaned up, put the new rotor on. Spray with brake cleaner, clean it all out, put the new rotor on. New rotor's on. Here's the old rotor. The reason I'm changing it is you see all this rust on the edges causing vibration when braking. Wasn't vibrating when I changed the pads about 15,000 miles ago. I'm going to put some caliper grease here on the top of the pads. Some here. Put some here. Put some under the boot. Put some under the boot on the boot pin right here. Put some on the top. It slides. Put some on the caliper pin. Both sides. Since we're not changing the pads, it should just slide right back on. These pads are still good. Caliper bolts back in. Tighten up the 10 millimeter caliper bolts. Ten millimeter caliper bolts are tight. That's pretty much it. Spray the rotor with brake clean. Rotor's replaced. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.